Hello world, Great Giza Pyramid. This is here just for scale. See, it's about 22 inches, and it's a 22-inch square that we have here. We have a normal everyday air compressor, and, well, it's not normal everyday. It's a little heavier duty. This is here, these wires are just so I can pinch the air. Let me just show you, anybody who's following it, this is all the water I have coming in. You can see the system is much more solid than it was before. I went ahead and used this, and you can see I have a leak right here, which just by pushing here, I can kind of seal up. You see I got a leak right there too, but that's okay. You can see how solid the system is. It's climbing right there. So it's a pretty good bath. And I know I have a leak up here that works out well, and there's a little tiny one here, and you see there's some dripping here. But when I get this system running, which I'm going to do right now, you can see, I have to slow this down a little bit, that the simulated hydrogen right there, if I run it right, that will bubble into that room because this side is lower, so it'll bubble in. Now when that actually fills up, which I can make it do it, but not with only one hand, when I do this and some more comes out, you can see it will start to bubble over here. Boom. Now when it does that, we're getting the cavitation type effect where there's a boom, boom. Now it's not doing it a whole lot right there, but I can make it do it a whole lot when I release this floodgate of oxygen, or air in this case. You could see it doing its bubble, 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 bubble. And that's kind of what it would be doing. I think it would be doing it on much larger bubbles and in bigger bursts. And you can see I've got it right there where it fills to that level. And even though the water level is actually higher on this side, it's all the way up there, it will not fill this room because of, well, it's an air bubble. Of course, it's not really an air bubble. I've got too many leaks in it for it to be a true air bubble. See, it's kind of filling there. When I push here, it makes the hole there. I don't have a perfect setup, but you can see how the system is running. And if this was in a better, more contained system, I'm sure you can get the idea of what it's doing. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and start building the grotto to work with it. I'm going to have to do some sort of a habitrail type connection, because that one does have to be much more airtight in order to get the vacuum effect. So please stay tuned and tell me where you think I should go. Thanks, later, bye.